What if the funniest boss on TV gave on of the most emotional goodbyes ever? This episode starts with jokes, awkward moments, and business drama, but by the end, it turned into one of the sweetest endings in the office. Here's why Michael Scott's final journey is unforgettable. At first, everything feels normal. Michael is still making weird jokes, singing silly songs, and creating awkward moments around the office. Meanwhile, the Michael Scott Paper Company is fighting to serve David Valens offered to buy the company, thinking Michael has no choice. But Michael surprised everyone. Instead of accepting the first offer, he stays calm, plays smart, and negotiates like a pro. In the end, he gets a much better deal and prove that people have been understanding him all along. The biggest change in Michael's life is business. It's Holly. After years of bad relationship, Michael finally find somebody who truly understand when Holly has to move to Claude. Michael do even hashtag he chooses love over his career before leaving. He walked through the office with Holly, shows her all the place where their memories began. Every desk, every hello, every room remind him of a special moments. For the first time we see Michael not as the goof boss but as somehow deeply in love. The come the moment fans will never forget Michael proposed to Holly. She says yes the entire office celebration and Michael announced that they are moving to Cloboard together. It's a perfectly ending for a character with spent years searching for happiness. The man who always wanted a family finally found one. Michael once said that the people you work with become your best friend, but the ending of this story we realized he was joking. His good boy. It's just the end of a TV character. It's the end on an era, and that actually why Michael Scott's farewell remain on one of the most emotional moments in the office. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.